Hi friends, welcome to Jyotinath's Kitchen. Today we are going to try one snack item which kids will love to eat with bananas. Let's see what are the ingredients we need first. For this first, I am taking 2 ripe bananas. You can take 2 to 3 depending on how many you want to make. Then this is maida, all-purpose flour. Then sugar and salt a little bit. Then this is cardamom powder and then dry coconut powder. Little bit we are going to use soda as well. We also need a mixie jar to mix all the paste and make a smooth paste of bananas before we start the procedure. First, keep the oil ready for deep frying. Turn on. Let's get into the procedure. First, what we will do is, I'm approximately taking, depending on the bananas, half cup is good enough. I don't want to take too much sugar. I'm taking little less. First, you can make a smooth powder, like fine powder of the sugar before we start. Let's grind this. See, it became fine powder now. I just keep little bit aside. I want to use as per my taste. You can just keep little bit aside so we can use it for decoration at the end. Now what we will do is, we will take the bananas, cut the edges and try to peel the skin, and then try to cut them into small pieces like this, smallest, because we are going to put them in a mixie and make a fine smooth paste. Now let's add all these banana pieces into the mixie jar and make a smooth paste without any lumps. Look at this, it became smooth paste. Now transfer this into a bowl where you are going to make a dough prepared, the flour, before we make the banana bites. Okay, now to this one, let's add pinch of salt, not too much, and then little bit of cardamom powder. You don't have to add too much. Then coconut powder, 3 to 4 spoons. So I'm just giving you rough estimates because depends on your banana size and how much quantity you are going to make. These can be adjusted according to your taste. So little bit of soda, not even half spoon, very less than that. Then try to mix it with your hand, adding the all-purpose flour, how much you need. Try to make it like a little thick paste, so you can make little balls out of it for deep frying. So I'm all giving you rough estimates only. There is no hard and fast rule how much sweet you have to add, because some people like it little sweeter, some people like too much sweet, so you can adjust according to your taste. It's going to be very tasty and yummy. Try to mix like this, check in between, then keep adding the all-purpose flour. So 1 to 2 cups you can keep it ready and handy. For 2 bananas, at least 1.5 maida flour, all-purpose flour you need. See, look at this. The paste should look like this. So you can make small balls and drop it in the oil. This is how it should look like. Make sure you add the all-purpose flour and mix it well. Now oil is ready. Let's start putting small balls into this deep frying pan. So one by one, drop like this. Oil should be on medium, not too hot, not too low. So you can continue like this. See, fry them until golden brown like this. See, they all became round. Let's take this out. So continue like this for a couple of rounds until you finish the dough. Make more balls like this in couple of rounds. See how many I made it in one round. These look so yummy, so colorful. Let's take them out. Look at this, very yummy and colorful banana bites ready. You can call them banana munchkins, banana bondas, banana balls, or banana bites. I like to call banana bites because you can finish them in single bite. For decoration, all what you can do is, remember I took little bit of sugar powder separately, so you can do like this and dust it on top of it, so it looks colorful, just like how we do it for funnel cake and other snacks. It looks so colorful now. Okay, these are ready to taste now. Pranav, today my son is very eager to taste this. It's one of his favorite recipe. Maybe he would like to taste it today. Come. How many you want? One.
This is Pranav, and here I'm tasting my mom's dish. So yummy. This is very good. You guys should try this at home and make this. Thank you.
Thanks, Pranav.
You're welcome.
Let's look at them from inside to see the complete, everything is well cooked and looks very soft inside too. So not too much oil also. You can try this out at home. Very tasty actually. Not too much sweet, not too much sugary. And it's not even, like, you hard to tell what is inside and what's used to make this recipe. But they are very yummy. All the kids will love it, even for adults. They are very light sugar items, so you can definitely try at home anytime in the evening or weekends when you are free. And when you have a lot of bananas which you are not eating, just get this done and try next time. Thanks for watching this video and keep watching my videos. We'll meet again with a new recipe on my channel. Thanks. Bye.